In today's video, I am going to teach you how to build a brand guideline system in Figma. First, open Figma Community. In the search bar, type brand guidelines. You'll see a range of ready-made systems. Choose a solid starting point like a brand building design system or a brand guidelines template. When you've found one you like, click Open in Figma. This duplicates the file into your drafts so you can edit freely without affecting the original. Now, bring your own brand into the file your logos, colors, and type. Begin with logos. Replace any placeholder marks with your own and include variations. A primary logo for most uses. A secondary or stacked version for tighter spaces and a monochrome version for situations where color isn't an option. Add clear space rules so your logo can breathe. A simple method is to define padding using a unit from the logo. Like the height of a key letter, then draw guides showing the minimum space required on all sides. Move to color. Define your palette using Figma's variables or styles, so colors stay consistent across files. Set up a 100 scale for each core brand color primary, secondary, and accent so you have tints and shades ready to go. A clean naming pattern like primary 100, primary 200, and so on makes colors easy to find and swap. If you use variables, connect them to styles so designers can work visually while developers can reference tokens. Next, typography. Create text styles for headings, subheads, body, captions, and UI elements. For each, set font family, weight, size, line height, and letter spacing. Include guidance on when to use each style, such as headlines for marketing, body for long-form copy, and UI text for product screens. Consistency here prevents one-off sizes and keeps your brand voice coherent. With the foundation in place, organize everything. Use frames to build a clear structure. Sections like overview, identity, and social media make your file easy to navigate. Apply auto layout so spacing is consistent and edits don't break your layout. As you go, document usage rules. Add simple do's and don'ts for logos. No stretching, no color changes outside the palette. No placing on busy backgrounds without contrast. For imagery, no composition, tone, and cropping so visuals feel unified across channels. That's it. Thanks for watching.